guys, welcome back to our channel. We're finally cooking again.
Yes, and I'm so ready for this.
So today we're gonna make, what are we making?
We are making chicken fried rice.
Sounds
Yeah,
yummy.
sounds yummy and very easy.
Okay, so let's go over what we're gonna use today. We're gonna have 2 green onions chopped up, about a tablespoon of garlic diced up, a little bit more if you want, 2 tablespoons of oil, and about 2 ounces of chicken, or just like 1 piece of chicken that you can dice up. And what else?
Yes, and we need 2 eggs right here. We need a cup of mixed vegetable, and we need 2 cups of rice. Yes. Okay, and this we need for about 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, little bit of salt, and little bit of ground pepper.
Perfect.
Yes.
So how do we start?
So let's start it. We heat the pan on medium heat.
Okay, so medium heat. Here we
Yes.
go.
And then we put some oil on the
So
pan.
we
In the
add
pan.
2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, and what else?
And we put garlic.
Then we have the garlic.
Yes. And we will fry the garlic until it smells good and ready.
It already smells good.
Yes. Our home always smells good. Because we cook all the time.
So you want to cook the garlic just until it starts to get a little bit golden brown,
Yes.
and then it's ready.
Yes. And then we put the chicken into the pan. And then can you grab me some chicken, please?
Sure. You want to use all of it?
Yes, all of them.
Okay. So then we're adding all of the chicken.
Yes. Okay. And fry the chicken until it's ready.
Okay, so the chicken's cooked, and now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yes. So we add this to get some taste.
Like that. Okay, so this is 2 cups of cooked rice,
Yes.
and it's ready to go in.
Okay, make sure you're on medium heat. So you didn't burn all your food.
So this is medium heat the whole time?
Yes, medium heat the whole time.
Okay, sounds good. So she just moved all the rice and chicken to one side, and now you have the other half empty.
Yes, for the eggs. So I'm going to beat some eggs.
Okay, so she just beat the eggs.
Yes, and then put it into the pan.
Perfect.
Okay, we will wait until the eggs cook.
Okay, so the eggs are pretty much cooked.
Yes,
So what are we doing now?
and then we mix it together.
Okay, let's mix it all up
Yeah,
together.
return your rice and then mix it all together.
So now that it's all mixed together,
Yes.
now we're going to mix in the vegetables.
Good, thank you, darling. It smells so good.
I'm ready to eat it. So now everything's cooked and mixed up together perfectly. So now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Yes.
Okay, there's 1
One.
and 2.
Perfect. Yes. Our fried rice start to get some color.
So how long does it take after you put in the soy sauce to finish?
We just stir it about 2 or 3 minutes and then it's ready.
So in under 10 minutes, we've just made a whole dish of chicken fried rice. And now it's all stirred up and ready to serve. And now that it's done, now you add the 2 pieces of green onions.
Yes. Yes, and it's ready to go.
Okay, perfect. We are ready to eat.
Yes, I'm ready.
It's all done and ready to eat.
Yes.
Let's try some. Oops. How is it?
I like it. It's very soft food.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, very
Especially
good.
for something under 10 minutes.
Yes,
So that's perfect.
That's quick food.
Well, thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you watch the next video also.
Yes. Okay, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.